silver teeth as a kid. It was hard to deal with that. And then when my permanent teeth came in, they came in with spots, so my enamel wasn't there. So all my life I had crowns put on and everything else, and they didn't work because they fell out. This was the answer right here, because it took care of the problem, and they feel, you know, they feel good. If you can go like this, that's good. I never could do that before. So yeah, they've done a wonderful job. I had a partial for many years. I had problems from a kid from day one, and I always had a problem with teeth. Couldn't eat what you can't eat things right. The partial drops down. You don't feel good about yourself, but they did a wonderful job. I'm really happy with my teeth. They look great. They feel great. It was a good investment.